Imagine turning on a light and watching it crawl across the room like molasses. Sounds crazy? Well, what if light could actually slow down? Right now, light travels at 299,792 kilometers per second. That's over 670 million miles per hour. It's the fastest thing in the universe, and our entire reality depends on it. From seeing color to solar panels, from internet signals to plant life, light keeps everything alive and connected. But what if light slowed down? Would the universe break? Actually, light can slow down when it passes through things like glass or water. But, we're talking about a universe where all light moves slower, everywhere. The sunlight you feel? It would take longer to reach Earth. You'd see the past more literally, because, well, vision is just light reaching your eyes. Your Wi-Fi? Slower light means slower data, phone calls, GPS, video calls, everything would lag, honestly. Even Einstein's famous equation relies on the speed of light. If light slows down, the math of the universe changes, possibly making stars collapse differently or black holes behave in strange ways. In your eyes, you might see things with a delay, like living in a constant slow-motion replay. So yeah, maybe it's good that light is super fast, because if it slowed down, our entire world would be a little dimmer, a lot slower, and completely different. Like this kind of what-if science? Then hit subscribe to EduSpark, where big questions get awesome answers every week. Tap the bell and never miss the light.